What have you learned, Sid? Tell me, what have you learned?
I'm still determining how much you are involved in this case. But it will be easy to find out after today. The police already have the footage of Shom taking the pictures. But whether it's Shom, it's still not clear. But we'll know that quite soon too. As the ethnic dress which Shom was wearing while clicking pictures at the base kitchen got damaged by the flames of the fire. Probably even Shom couldn't have imagined that we would find such a massive evidence against him.
Sid, I will tell you the whole thing, but please don't give any statement to the police. Actually, I was. I.
Torsha is not involved in this matter, Sid. Whatever has been done, it's by me. I just told her that in your absence, I'm going to take a huge step.
Yes, I was just informed that you were going to Singapore for an extended period.
Yes, that's what she told me. I have done the rest. Actually, Aditya Agrawal trapped me. Aditya told me, as Siddharth is not here, let's use this chance to eliminate Mithai from the Modak group. He was infuriated after the PCG party. And that Makhan Mandal is also Aditya's man. I just wanted to put an allegation. And I wanted Mithai to be eliminated from the business, that's it. Nothing else but this, Siddharth. I couldn't imagine that Makhan Mandal would start a fire and burn down everything. Look, if you have to complain about anyone, it should be me. Torsha is innocent. Torsha just knew that I would frame Mithai, nothing else. She knows nothing. Spare her, Siddharth.
As I said, the police will decide whom to catch and whom to release. I'll call Rudy right away.
Wait. What are you doing? Have you forgotten that grandmother and grandfather are outside? There's no need to call anyone. Hang up Torsha's phone. Please don't involve outsiders in a family issue.
Outsider? Who's an outsider, Mithai? You are the outsider who came from nowhere. Yet you are dragging everyone down. Aren't you ashamed? Hello? Hello?
Can we talk, Siddharth? There's no role of Torsha in this. I'm telling you, you can inform Rudra. I'm ready to accept my punishment. And the crime which has been committed, that's on me. My crimes are visible. But there are a lot of crimes which are never seen. I have strived hard for the Siddheshwar Modak group from the beginning. But neither did I ever get the respect nor a stake in the business. Although Mithai, being an outsider, became the leader of the business in 2 days. Who did this? Grandpa. The same grandpa for whom I have tolerated the daily abuse and insult from your father. Isn't that a crime? I was always told that I am the eldest son of the family. Although your father never, not a single day, introduced me to anyone. as I am a useless man. Although Mithai, whom you don't even accept as your wife, Grandpa has been introducing her everywhere as his granddaughter-in-law. Isn't that a crime?
Brother Soham, why didn't you ever tell me this? Did you dislike my involvement in the business this much? I have always worked as a regular employee only.
Quiet! Just keep quiet. Do you have to interfere in everything? Grandpa supports you too. Whatever I say even matters. Whatever I have said, you have always gone against me, haven't you? Tell me. I wouldn't have done all this if you wouldn't have come in this family. Anyway, Siddharth, I'm in my room. Call the police. Let them arrest me. I have no problem with that.
Why does it happen? Why does it happen to me? Why does it happen? What's my mistake? What sin have I committed? How dare she thought she could show me my place? Mithai is exercising her rights to Siddharth Modak in that tone. Wow, great. What? What's my fault? What's my fault? What should I do now? What should I do? Luckily, Shom saved me, or else Sid would have hated me. He would have hated me even more. What would I do now? I can't even call Shom. Who knows what's going on there?
You were right. It wasn't right of me to be involved in the family business. Brother Soham would not like it. Had I listened to you that time, then this day would have never come. I didn't force my way into leadership, you know. Mithai speaks a lot. She speaks even more if she's excited. But I had no idea that it insulted Brother Soham. I'm telling you the truth. Shame, shame, shame. Look at the disaster I have caused.
Just stop it, Mithai. Just stop it. You joined this business on Grandpa's insistence, and it has been proved many times that Grandpa didn't make the wrong decision. Yes, that hurt Shom, and it's natural for him to feel bad. But how can you trap someone this way and try to ruin them? This is a crime. What should I do now, Mithai? This is the truth. That Mr. Hotshot of this family has always belittled Shom. But I always thought of Shom as my own elder brother. Mithai, when Mom first brought Shom to the house, she told me that he's your elder brother. And always stay with your elder brother, okay? What will I do now? I'm so lost. If I do something, it would be an insult to my mom, Mithai. The Mr. Hotshot would gain even more leverage to raise his voice even more. She shouldn't have brought Shom to this house to raise as a son. My mom would be quite belittled, Mithai. Her stature would be diminished.
Can I say something? Just calm down a little. Just calm down. There is no need to tell anyone anything. If grandfather learns of this, he will be shattered. Grandfather could never have imagined that Brother Som was so hurt due to his decision.
How could someone commit such a big crime? I still don't get it, Mithai. And that Aditya Agarwal, I'm sure he brainwashed Shom. That's why Aditya Agarwal claimed that all my pride will go down the drain when I learn the truth. Mithai, this is his revenge. He's my school friend. That's why he knew very well that I was only in contact with Grandpa and Shom when I didn't talk to anyone. And that's the chance he grabbed. But Tess, she knew it all. Still, she didn't feel the need to tell me everything. Everyone hurt me like this, Mithai. They hurt me so much.
Grandfather's grandson won't be able to take the shock easily. He will need some time to overcome it. Oh Lord. Lord, please help grandfather's grandson a bit. Please help him.
I won't eat. Take it away.
Not eating will lead to acidity. And if grandfather learns of this, he will constantly say,
Didn't you hear what I said? Huh? I don't like being forced mithai. Where's the charger now? Where's my laptop charger? How many times do I have to tell you that keep the things in their respective places? Huh? Nonsense. Why was it kept somewhere else? This is supposed to be next to the laptop, right? What is this? Nonsense. Ridiculous behavior.
What are you doing, Sid? Why are you needlessly yelling at Mithai? This is a nasty habit of yours.
So then tell her not to touch my thing, Shri. But she won't listen to that. Everyone's just busy imparting life lessons.
Sid, you're leaving? Didn't you eat anything? Who knows why Mithai doesn't serve the food earlier?
She did serve it earlier, Grandma, but who knows why Sid suddenly got angry? And whenever anyone gets angry in this family, they have one scapegoat to take out their revenge on. That's what I object to,
Lower your voice, Nanda. He might not be in good mood, and Siddharth has changed a lot.
Didn't I bring my handkerchief? No, I might have left it in the room.
Wait. I will bring it over.
What's the matter, grandson? Why is your mood off? Did something happen?
What will happen, Grandpa? There's nothing worth happening.
Hey, Grandma. He's leaving in such a mood. Will he even return at the right time in the evening?
Dear, please ask him if he will return in the evening.
Grandson, tell me properly, when will you return today?
Trying to figure out, Grandpa. But why?
Listen, Siddharth, where are you going? Mithai went to get your handkerchief.
I don't need it.
Come, we are quite late already. So I brought the sweets for an evening at once, but as I will only get time, then this...
What's the matter? What are all the sweets for?
What's the matter? Sweets? Actually, nothing as such. What happened? We thought we would have some pots. Sweets. We will have sweets. Yes, we will have sweets.
And what's the reason for that, Rajiv? There's been nothing in the house worth celebrating. Instead, there was a disastrous fire and a substantial financial loss. Something's happening in this house. What's happening here?
That's nothing but having sweets, yeah. There's your handkerchief. Hand him the handkerchief, grandson. Come home on time, okay? Hey, Lord. Bless us.
Nanda, what's the matter? Why is his mood so off?
Dad, where is Som? Has he gone out? He's not picking up the phone. Whenever it's important, he never picks up the call.
Uncle? Brother, Som left on an important task, he told me. If there is something to do, please tell me, I will do it.
No, Mithai, you can't do it. Dad, we need to go to the insurance company. We have something there. So, anyway, I'll handle that. I'm leaving, Mom. I'm in a hurry. Hey, Rudra, you're here?
Yes, uncle. Are you leaving?
Yes.
Actually, we have received more news about the fire incident.
Oh, really?
Siddharth was the one who got me that footage from someone's car. Sid, We missed a very important clue.
Rudy. You come with me. I have something to discuss.
Hey, Mithai,
Yes.
what just happened? Which car was used for which pictures?
Grandpa, they went on the morning walk and gathered all the evidence.
Don't
Oh.
you start, Brother Rajiv. Grandfather, your grandson asks everyone to speak less, but he chats up a storm. Near the factory, a cameraman was seated in one of the cars. He talked to the car owner, gathered everything and gave it to the police.
Oh.
Who knows how many more clues will we get? Why don't you tell your grandson he's not a policeman? He works on a laptop, so let him stick to that.
Rudy, listen. Please hold off on the investigation for now. Understood?
What do you mean you?
Listen to the whole thing. I'll tell you everything clearly later. It's an honest request. Just don't say anything about this in front of everyone. Okay?
What's the matter, Rudra? Which clue you were talking about?
Grandpa, actually, we did find a link. Someone was taking pictures and his hand could be seen. And it's quite evident that someone intentionally took the pictures and sent it to the police. And with that, there's another evidence for Mithai's innocence. But let these things be on hold for now. I can see a pot full of sweets. Can I get some sweets?
Definitely. Hey, Appa, serve him some
come.
sweets now. Amo, you leave now, okay?
Yes,
You can go.
I will leave. But you will still need more time to finish everything. Keep
Nanda,
something for me.
Ah,
here,
okay.
here. Serve some sweets to Rudra. We have a lot of it.
Listen, Mithai. None should know anything. Be mindful of that.
Please keep your calm. You are getting so mad that it's making everyone uncomfortable.
Finally, a sigh of relief. It seems that everything's all right.
Everything would be fine in the evening. Rudra,
Yes?
please come if you can.
I mean, what happened?
Not happening, but will happen. There will be a wedding.
Wedding?